Welcome to iDynamics Learn. In today's video, we will introduce iDynamics Commissions, the most advanced sales commission tool for Business Central. After watching how to adjust commission entries manually, iDynamics allows you to do it massively as well. The adjustment journal allowed us to get the commissions pendants to settle, to review them before settling. Why do we generate sales statistics? Because, unlike Business Centrals, we monitor the sales reps' participation in sales orders and the way they split their commission. Statistics also show the delayed and pending sales invoice to be paid, margins, and the commission sales percentage. This sales amount is not only the base amount. iDynamics commissions allow you to exclude several products or costs from the sales statistics, just like the shipping costs or the cash discount. Save your preferred options by searching item charges in the browser.